Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You sign in to PayPal now. That's step one because you need the account that authorized payments. Once logged in, make sure any 2FA prompt is cleared so you won't be interrupted. Go to Settings, the gear icon, then tap Payments to see billing agreements. You do this because subscriptions live under agreements, not transaction history, and accessing them directly speeds cancellation. Don't search transactions first. Head straight to Payment Settings to find Active Automatic Payments. Once in Manage Automatic Payments, look through the merchant list and select the service you want to stop. You do this to confirm it's the correct agreement and to note the next billing date. That helps you decide whether to cancel now or after a current period. Review the funding source and recent charges so you can anticipate refunds or disputes. If the merchant isn't listed, you may have a direct card subscription. In that case, cancel through the merchant or the card issuer. You cancel the agreement by clicking Cancel and confirming the dialog. PayPal will stop future automatic payments immediately. Make sure to save the confirmation, screenshot, or write the date and merchant name because that proof speeds disputes. Once canceled, check upcoming billing to verify it's gone. If charges still post, open the Resolution Center and file a claim and contact the merchant with your cancellation proof. If you hit errors, clear cache. Try another browser or use the app before contacting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.